Guys, welcome back again. Today we're gonna open up another blister pack from, I think it was Toys R Us or something. This is the Moltres, Articuno, and Zapdos blister pack. So let me get them out of this little box and then I'll cover them. Alright, so here we are. We got our 3 cards. Articuno, Holo Rare, Moltres, Holo Rare, and Zapdos, Holo Rare. Let's put those 3 to the side. And our 2 blister packs, our 2 booster packs. Got Plasma Freeze and Plasma Storm. So let's open up Plasma Freeze, see what we get. Here is a code card for you guys. Let's see what we get. Trainer, Intagram, Primer, got a reverse holo, and it's a Mr. Mime rare card, non-holo. Next pack. For Plasma Storm, there's a code card for you guys. Alright. Go back. We got a Clefairy, Magnemite, Terubin, Ink. We have a rare, reverse holo, Bardic, and Skarmory, non-holo, rare. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. At 300 subs, I will be giving away a code for Pokemon Blue for your DS, 3DS. So hope you guys enjoy and catch you guys in the next video.